Hey YouTube, going to be doing the first lather review for this channel. It's going to be on the Barrister Mann latha. Alright, so I'm going to be using the Plasson right here. And we got the puck blooming right here. The scent on this one's, I don't know, it's kind of lemony. I pick up, I don't know, it's like a cleaner scent, you know, if that makes sense. Alright, so I'm just going to take the water out of the brush and load it up. Let me know how y'all like these lather reviews. I'm going to start posting them more often if y'all like them. Just let me know. Just going to load it up here for a while. The scent really comes out. The lemony as the main scent kind of goes away a little bit and then it picks up something different, but I'm not sure what that is. I'm not very good with my scents. Alright, that should be good right there. And I'm just going to do a smooth face lather in my hand. Let me know how y'all like this camera angle too. I'm in a dorm room, so I'm using my towel rack to hold my iPad up. So here it is so far. If y'all can see that. Nice and slick. The scent keeps getting stronger. It might just be me, but I'm picking up like a little bit of cherry in it. Just like very subtle. Yeah, this is a good lather right here. I'd be happy with that. Got all that in the brush. I'm going to add a little water just to see how far we can get to go. Keep going. Barrister Mann, so it's always made good lather. Trying to get this so y'all can see it. Oh yeah, it just keeps building. This super shiny, if y'all can see it. Yep, so yep, I got all this. This is a ton of lather right here. Pull it out of the brush. There we go. Check the slickness and all that. Super slick and cushion, and I take my fingernail when I'm doing lather checks and just scrape it, see how good it slides. Yeah, but this feels really good if you can see all that. Super slick and cushiony. There you go. Alright, so let me get cleaned up real fast. Alright, so that's my first lather review of the Barrister Mann latha. Turned out really good, super good lather. Just let me know how y'all like these videos and I can keep doing them. Got the tub right here. I'd highly recommend this soap for $10, I think it was. Get the Barrister Mann quality. Nice scent on it too. So comment, rate, subscribe, and y'all have a good day.